Hello and welcome everyone. In this tutorial series, we are going to show you how to fabricate your own single-layer PCB using CNC 3018 Pro. In this part, we are going to show you how to export Gerber files from CADSoft Eagle. In the next videos we are going to use FlatCam to generate CNC jobs, and the G-code command sender, BCNC. So we're going to start here in Eagle. I have created the PCB of voltage regulator board. It contains LM7805 regulator circuit, a connector, and a power jack. Now switch to the layout editor and press CAM processor. But first let's start with organizing our folders. In the PCB directory, create 3 folders and name them Gerbers, FlatCam, and G-codes. Now go back to the layout editor and press CAM processor. Then I'll open a CAM job that I have already prepared specifically for the CNC 3018 Pro. The job is based on RS274X Gerber. The bottom copper consists of bottom, pads, and vias layers. Its file extension is .gbl. The bottom layer is mirrored. Next, the top layer consists of top, pads, and vias layers. Its extension is .gtl. However, we don't need it for single-layer PCBs. The outline layer is needed for the board cutout. It consists of dimension layer. Its extension is OTL. The bottom silkscreen is mirrored B-place, the text down here. Its extension is .gbo. Finally, the drill file for drills and holes, and it's a text file. Now process the job. And go to the project directory. Delete the top layer Gerbers since it's a single layer PCB. Move the rest to the Gerbers folder. In the next videos we are going to show you how to use FlatCam to take those Gerbers and generate CNC jobs. And the BCNC software to control the CNC, send the G-code to the CNC, and perform auto-leveling. If you are interested, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any tutorial. Thanks for watching our tutorial. See you in the next one.